We have to figure out ways that we can touch our clients and customers without actually touching them. So, if you think of the concept of a brand touch, there's alternatives to that we have to resort to now. And one of the things is what I call the heartbeat of a company, and that's putting out content on a consistent basis and in a variety of ways. So people are hearing from you, and that's how you become top of mind. When people want to buy whatever it is you're selling, you want to be sure that you're the first brand they think of, and also that they think positively about you. So you are the brand people think of when they need what you have to sell. I think now is the ideal time during COVID to look at those stats, look at your Google Analytics and look at your social media analytics to see what kind of posts are really garnering the most engagement. Engagement with your targeted audience, that's going to be evergreen. That's COVID or no COVID. That's going to be the most important thing. My theory is that you need to identify people who are your raving fans and people who really love your brand, and then capitalize on their enthusiasm and have them share their love of your brand with others who are like them. The more people that you have who are aware of your brand, the more people who are going to buy from you and hopefully be loyal to your brand. It's all about kind of capturing that enthusiasm and eventually turning that into brand loyalty. I have a website at marshallpr.com where you can find the PR Maven podcast, and you can also get information about my book, which is called Grow Your Audience, Grow Your Brand.